Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Cloudflare Workers to handle API requests, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Cloudflare Workers to handle API requests, start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. Navigate to the Workers section on the left sidebar. Click on the Create a Service button to initiate a new worker. Provide a name for your worker and click Create Service. Next, you'll be taken to the code editor, where you can write your worker script. Begin by setting the fetch event listener to handle incoming requests. Inside the listener, use the event.respondWith method to manage the response. To make an API call, utilize the fetch function to target your desired API endpoint. Store the response from the API call in a variable. Check the response status to ensure it is OK before proceeding. If the status is OK, use response.json to parse the data. Return the parsed data as a JSON response by using the new response constructor. For example, set the content type to application/JSON. Test your worker by clicking the Save and Deploy button. After deployment, you'll receive a unique URL to access your worker. Open that URL in a browser to see if it successfully handles the API request. Debug any issues using the console logs within the editor. Once everything is functioning properly, you can implement additional features like caching or error handling. You can also connect your worker to a custom domain for easier access. Consider setting up environment variables for sensitive data like API keys. Remember to monitor usage and performance through the analytics provided by Cloudflare. Adjust your worker configurations as needed based on incoming traffic and performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.